I'm a career advisor at a well-known university, and I teach students how to network. But here's the irony. I'm an introvert, and I'd never messaged strangers. And then I finally tried, and a well-known data scientist actually connected with me. If you've ever overthought that first message or wondered why people ignore your connection requests, this will explain it. Turns out, the reason isn't personal, it's psychological. Here's the psychology that made it work and made me willing to try. There's a simple experiment from the 1970s. Researchers asked people to cut in line at a copying machine in one of two ways. First, can I use the machine? 60% said yes. Second, can I use the machine because I need to make copies? Surprisingly, 94% of the people said yes. Psychologists call this the because heuristic. Your brain helps more when it hears context. So here's what I tried at the data scientist. She posts a lot, so I started small. I read a few of her posts and left thoughtful comments, just genuine reactions.
Come on, pencil, make words.
I did this 2 or 3 times over a couple of weeks. And when I finally sent the connection request, I kept it short. I've been following your posts on interviewing. Your insights on storytelling were really helpful. Would love to connect. That's it. One detail from work and why it mattered to me. And she accepted, which honestly surprised me. That's why this works. It's not about being more outgoing. It's about giving yourself a process that makes it feel less intimidating. And if an introverted career advisor who had never messaged strangers can connect to the well-known data scientist, then you can absolutely reach out to someone in your field. This week, pick one person in your field that you'd never normally message. Read a few of their posts and leave genuine comments, not great posts, something specific. Quote a line that resonated, leave a thoughtful observation. Make it clear that you actually read their post, and after a couple weeks, send a connection request with a short note that references something specific. You're not asking for a job. You're just showing them why this connection makes sense. So stop fighting your introversion, and once you've made that connection, the real challenge is the conversation itself. Check out my next video about the 20-second rule that separates memorable conversations from forgettable ones. Subscribe for strategies that make networking feel less scary and are actually useful.